In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into an MT5 account. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your broker's official client portal or dashboard. This is important because deposits are typically handled through the broker's website or account area, not directly inside the MetaTrader 5 platform itself. Make sure you're using the official portal provided by your broker so your transaction stays secure and goes to the correct account. Once you're signed in, look for a section labeled Deposit, Add Funds, or Wallet. Different brokers use slightly different names for this area, but they all serve the same purpose. This is the part of the portal where you manage incoming funds and choose where your money will be credited. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. If you have more than one trading account with the same broker, the next step is to choose your live MetaTrader 5 account as the destination for the deposit. This matters because some users may have demo accounts, multiple live accounts, or separate wallet balances. You want to be sure the funds are going into the correct live MT5 account so you can start trading without confusion or delays. After that, select your preferred deposit method. Depending on your broker, this could include bank transfer, card payment, online payment services, or other local funding options. Choose the method that works best for you, and if your broker shows processing times or any fees, it's a good idea to review those before continuing so you know what to expect. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit and fill in the required payment details. Be careful here and double check everything you type, especially the amount and any payment information. It's also helpful to confirm that the funding currency matches your expectations, since some brokers may automatically convert funds if your payment method uses a different currency. Finally, submit the deposit request and complete any verification required for the transaction. This might include confirming the payment through your bank, card provider, or an authentication step in the broker's portal. Once the transaction is approved, the funds should appear in your MT5 account shortly. In some cases, it can be almost instant, while other methods may take a bit longer. And that's it. That's how to deposit money into your MT5 account safely and correctly. Just follow each screen carefully, verify the destination account before submitting, and wait for the balance to update in your trading account.